Hello, I'm Neil, and everything I do is wrong. Today I'm going to show you how to build this, the IKEA Duktig Play Kitchen. We bought it and I built it for my little daughter and she loves it. If you want to jump forward to the time at the bottom of the video, that's where the how-to starts. But I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. But hear me out. She loves playing with this. She absolutely loves playing with it. And the idea to get it didn't come from us. Believe me, it didn't come from us. But do you know what? She loves pink and she loves shoes. These ones light up. And she loves things that light up. And she loves Disney princesses, as she calls them. None of that has come from us. All of it has come from her, and if I think hard about it, maybe her mimsy negative role model is me. But anyway, here's how to build the kitchen. Hope you enjoy it. So that's how to build it. This is what happened next. Yeah, all of our stuff is in here now. If this video has been of any help whatsoever, click the subscribe button in the corner or underneath the video. Every subscription really helps, really appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Happy playing in your IKEA kitchen.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?